Hello students, very good afternoon. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you all are pretty good, and here I am also pretty good. So what's up? What are you doing? Just nothing special? Preparation of your exam. Okay, very good. So let's come to our topic. Yesterday we completed letters, and day before yesterday, yeah, it's on Saturday, yeah, today is a Monday, and yesterday it was a Sunday, fun day. So today we will do official communication, that is circular and memo. So it's a part 2 of formal letters. So firstly we will do the goals of this. What is the goal? Why it is required? Improve their official and business communication skill. Understand the importance of memos and circular in business communication. Become familiar with the various types of circular and memos. Explore the appropriate language and format associated with circular and memos. Express their ideas clearly. Okay. And objectives, differentiate between circular and memo. Circular is another thing and memos it's different thing. Understand the subject matter carefully and include relevant information while drafting memos and circular. Organize content logically and systematically. Use proper format, language and style while drafting memos and circular. Okay, just come to introduction. Very good afternoon. Since every organization, whether it is a huge conglomerate, it's a conglomerate or a small business. Huge conglomerate means a group, huge group of people, and organization बहुत बड़ा group है लोगों का, or a small business is divided into various departments. Using a form of internal communication becomes mandatory. Yeah, that letters we did, that was, it was not internal, it was for external communication. We were giving order or complaints, or it was a sales letter, recovery letter, promotion letter, that one organization to another organization, bank is giving to another company, but it is an internal communication. Okay, that is becomes mandatory. We know interdepartmental and intra-departmental communication, an important aspect of both business and official communication. Official communication can be segregated into memorandums, official circular and office suggestion boxes. So what is circular? Office circular are generally those letters which are circulated to a huge number of employees in an office in a simultaneous manner, conveying a special message or an instruction that needs to be followed in the future. Okay, so the main point, it is huge number of employers. ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज, बहुत सारे लोगों को इकट्ठा ही जो मैसेज कन्वे करना है, देन वी यूज़ द हेल्प ऑफ सर्कुलर. It is a user friendly and a cost effective method of circulating. Of course user friendly and a cost effective. अगर हम हर एक person को अलग अलग दे रहे हैं तो it would be costly. Ensuring that the particular message reaches many persons at the same time. These types of letters primarily focus on the business issues and hold a certain degree of importance amongst the employees in an office. The information conveyed through a circular may vary anywhere from an invitation to a meeting to the important issues. So all this, so we have just come to know circular, it is a formal message and huge number of people when you want to convey, then we use, and it's interpersonal, किसी कंपनी के अंदर ही जो मैसेज दिए जा रहे हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर ही, that is called circular. Okay, so we have the format of circular. We don't have any fixed format of circular. चलिए देखते हैं circulars. Okay, so one sample it is given here. The circular number, yeah, this is mandatory to write circular number. Circular number. Okay, we have to write circular number. After that, date should be mentioned here. So it's the 5 October 2020. It is not necessary that you have to write date this side, circular number this side. We can just write date here also. So this is not compulsion here. Office working hours. See, title is here. What is the title here? Office working hours. Office working hours. So it's a common message, means to every employee wants to convey to all employers, that is, so it is a common message, like principal wants to convey to all staff members of this message, school working hours, to whole school students, like that. So this is called circular. जब हम सबको मैसेज कन्वे कर रहे हैं तो एक सर्कुलर को हम पेस्ट कर देते हैं, that on notice board or like that. So yeah, everyone can read this. So for all employees, it is written here also, for all employees. So the people who receives there, we are just mentioning for all employees. So we have to keep this thing in our mind. Circular number, it is mandatory, necessary. Okay, date either here or there, that doesn't take matter, but date should be written. After that, title or heading, and that is to whom we are just giving, for all employees, for all teaching staff, for all the students. This is an official confirmation about the office. We just write here, just point. Okay, this is an official confirmation about the office timing that have to be followed strictly by all the employees. We are not mentioning any particular person. Maybe some few employees are there, those are not following this working hours, but even then we don't want to pinpoint particularly those person. We are just giving a general message to everybody. Of course, it's a strict one. This is an official confirmation about the office timing that have to be followed strictly by all the employees. Being an outsourcing organization, we maintain a different pattern of work hours as compared to the normal. It is a sincere request to all employees to follow work timing as per the mentioned guidelines. Catering, okay, to the US work time. ठीक है, जो भी टाइम है यूएस की कंपनी है. वर्किंग आवर 6 to 2, सैटरडे एंड संडे ऑफ, मील ब्रेक फ्रॉम 9 PM to 9:30 PM. हाँ, 9 PM AM नहीं, पोस्ट मेरिडियन, AM एंटी मेरिडियन, पोस्ट मेरिडियन आएगा यहाँ पर, PM to 9 PM to 9:30 PM. डिफॉल्टर्स विल बी पनिश्ड एंड स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन विल बी टेकन अगेंस्ट रिपीटेड डिफॉल्टर्स. डिफॉल्टर्स को पनिश किया जाएगा और स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लिया जाएगा अगर फिर से डिफ़ॉल्ट अगर आप करते हैं. इन केस ऑफ एमरजेंसी और एनी अदर एक्सीजेंसी, काइंडली नोटिफाई द रिस्पेक्टेड हेड्स इन एडवांस. कोई एमरजेंसी है या कोई और यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, तो आपको इस तरह से हेड से जस्ट यू हैव टू टेक परमिशन और नोटिफिकेशन. तो सिमरन, ओके, दैट इज़ द मैनेजर. मैनेजर की तरफ से एक सर्कुलर दिया गया है. So we have one more example. चलिए हम एक और example we have. Let's do this one. Okay, what is this? As the HR head of your company, as the HR head of as the HR head of your company, draft a circular to be distributed to all employees informing them about certain change in dress code. Also mention that these changes have been undertaken keeping in mind the benefit of female employees to avoid unwanted situations. चलिए, yes. So we have this circular as the HR head of your company. So who will write this? HR head of your company. Draft a circular. You have to draft a circular to be distributed to all employees, okay, informing them about the certain change in dress code, Also mention that these changes have been undertaken keeping in mind the benefits of female employees to avoid unwanted situation. Yeah. So here it is in front of you. So while drafting circular, firstly what we have to do? Yes. So here, yes, very good afternoon dear students. Very good Srishti, Saurav, Dheeraj, Srishti, Nupur, Priyanka. Okay, firstly what we have to do? Yes, circular number, shabash, very good. So we will write here, it should be here, yes, circular number. Yeah, you have to do fictional, अपनी तरफ से आपको circular number बनाना है. You wouldn't be given. Very good. Here we are writing the date. Excellent. Good. And after that, what should be the heading? What should be the title? Change in dress code. अच्छा, change in dress code. ठीक है. Okay, shall I write here the heading? Students are saying very good. Changes in dress, oh it should be capital, first letter always should be capital, in dress code. Okay, just a minute. So we are drafting here changes in dress code. Okay. Achha, for all employees, very good. For all, it is given here, yes. For all employees, see, everything is given. After that we have to start, yeah, for all employees, yeah. This is an official confirmation, this is an article. We can't forget our grammar rules, we can't forget. So this is an official confirmation about changes in dress code. Okay, quickly give me some more lines. Very good. Dheeraj Ahuja, very good. This is an official confirmation about the certain change in dress code. Okay, correct. This circular is an official confirmation about the dress code to followed strictly in the office hours. Okay, next line. This is an official confirmation about changes in dress code. This is an official information about the changes in dress code from 10th October. हाँ, डेट आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. डेट और ऑल दिस शुड बी मेंशन लाइक इन बुलेट्स. इट इज़ हेयर. बुलेट्स में हम मेंशन कर सकते हैं ना. We can mention that when you want to give relaxation, either Saturday, you can wear any type of clothes, or just office hours, it should be strictly followed from this date. Okay, then you can give the reason also. We have here this line, changes have been undertaken keeping in mind the benefit of female employees to avoid unwanted situation. We should mention this thing. Yeah, these changes have been undertaken keeping in mind the benefit of female employees to avoid unwanted situation. All employees are ordered to comply with these changes. Order word नहीं use करेंगे हम. No. We shouldn't use order word. This is an official confirmation. The circular is an official confirmation about the dress code to follow strictly in the office hours, and these changes have been undertaken keeping in mind, very good, to the benefits of female employees to avoid unwanted situation. Being the organization are as the topmost MNC, some proper dress code to be followed keeping in mind of providing secure environment to all female employees. Very good. It is a sincere request to all employees to follow these guidelines. है ना? तो guidelines should be given. Like we just write this also, if you are doing extra hour works, then also you have to follow this dress code. If in a weekend day somebody is coming, then also this should be followed. Okay, and you can mention also which type of dress code should be there, and from this date, so that everyone would be able to arrange this type of dresses. So from this date we are going to implement that, or this dress code will be implemented by or from this date, है ना. Therefore it is a sincere request to all the employees to be understand dress code. ओके, अदरवाइज़ अभी देखिए फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हमने ये मेंशन कर दिया कि दिस इज़ एक ऑफिशियल हम कंफर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. क्या कंफर्मेशन है ये फॉलो होना चाहिए. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव जस्ट रिटन द बुलेट्स दैट कि कोई और जानकारी है तो वो हम दे रहे हैं. लाइक एक्स्ट्रा hour somebody is spending, then also he or she is to follow this dress code. This dress code will be followed by those are doing extra hours work or weekend also, कुछ भी ऐसा. As for males guy, हम black formal suits with the tie. Of course dress code में tie should be necessary. Yes, tie should be necessary. It is mandatory to wear tie for all the male employees, है ना. It is mandatory to wear. As for male, grey black formal suits, कुछ भी, anything. For female also you can just give the dress code. Means in the bullets we can write 2 or 3 lines, and in the last one it is like defaulters को strict action लिया जाएगा. Defaulters will be punished or strict action will be taken against defaulters, है ना. In case of any health issue or any emergency or any rainy season, anything, so you have to inform that head of company. Yes, ठीक है, very good. So we are just mentioning here, and in the last just name HR, the head of the company. Okay, is it clear? It is clear for you, I think. That was circular. Okay, now just we go through that is a memos. Shall we go through? Very good. Keval, Srishti, Tamanna, so nice of you, very good students. Okay, memos. A memo is used as a means of official communication with the company or an organization. ठीक है, मेमो भी यूज़ होता है, एक ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन ही है किसी कंपनी में और किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. सो इट इज़ क्लियर, इट इज़ आल्सो इंटरपर्सनल, कंपनी के अंदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर ही होता है. सर्कुलर भी यही था, मेमो भी यही है. बट द वर्ड मेमो और मेमोरेंडम मीन्स रिमाइंडर or is frequently used to inform the people within the organization about policies, procedures, etc. It is like a reminder, memorandum, reminder, है ना. It is often written from a one-to-all perspective like mass communication. ये भी हमारा one-to-all था, one-to-all, HR, head and to all. Okay. Broadcasting a message to an audience rather than a one-on-one interpersonal communication. It may also be used to update a team on activities for a given project or to inform a specific group within a company of event, action or observance. So, what's the difference between circular and memorandum? Circular is rather more important than memo, and memo is just like a reminder. Means earlier we just use the earlier we talk or desired as discussed. मतलब पहले वो बात हो चुकी है, वो मैसेज कन्वे जा चुके हैं. इट इज़ अ मेमो, इट इज़ लाइक अ रिमाइंडर. इफ़ दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू फॉलो स्ट्रिक्टली, फिर आप एक मेमोरेंडम भेजते हैं, या दैट इज़. Okay, so memo typically has 5 functions: to remind, to highlight, to recount, to keep a record, to inform or instruct briefly. In all the above scenarios, memo should use an easy language with short and crisp statement. एक reminder है बस, ठीक है. It is like a reminder. Okay, so first one we have ABC. अच्छा, ठीक है, उस कंपनी का ऑफिस या कंपनी का जो नेम है, इंटर ऑफिस मेमो है. या वी हैव द पैटर्न ऑफ दिस, डेट टू फ्रॉम रेफरेंस सब्जेक्ट. या वी हैव टू लर्न दिस. मेमो, it is memorandum or it is just like a reminder. Yes, it is just like a reminder. So we have to follow. Firstly, किस डेट को हम लिख रहे हैं? To, from, is it? Reference, we just mentioned here, reference number, subject. हमारा क्या टॉपिक है? Okay, like it is written here. Department, not for as a whole. Yeah, we can say this also. It is particular like a डिपार्टमेंट. मीन्स सर्कुलर की तरह बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रॉड नहीं होता. इट इज़ लिटल बिट, बट इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ रिमाइंडर. इट कैन बी डिपार्टमेंटल और इट कैन बी फॉर हॉल आल्सो. it's not a matter that for particular department only, but if you have a wide department, so it would be a mass communication. Good, Srishti. Yes, date we can, yeah, we just do it from one branch to another branch also. We can say, yeah, we can say if you are saying this department from one branch to other branch also, it is just like a reminder. Then also we can say, we can just pass the information in only our department, then also we use memo. So we have this pen, just this one you have to just remember, date, to, from, reference, subject. Baki very small, in few lines we have to finish a memo. As desired, the order for the supply of office furniture, chair, table, sofa sets has been placed with Shiv Shakti Furniture Market Kirby Place, New Delhi. The chairs and tables will be supplied in multiple lots. The order will be completed in 10 days. It is just like a reminder, एक मेमो है, ठीक है. तो इट्स नथिंग, कुछ नहीं करना. एंड इन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेटर सर्कुलर मेमोज. डेफिनेटली these topics would come. So second sample, a memo letter apprising the employees of all branches about the suspension order of an employees of the same office. See, of all branches, it is not for a one department, it is not for a one branch, it is for all branches. Okay, so we can't say that that is wide, that is not wide. So it is just like a reminder. एक सूचना दी जा रही है, बस उनको एक मेमो, एक सूचना दी जा रही है ना. एंड सर्कुलर, दिस इज stick one, strictly you have to follow that. And reminder, it is just like a memo. Okay, memo is just like a reminder. अभी यहाँ पर देखिए, समृद्धि बैंक लिमिटेड, वी हैव दिस इंटरपर्सनल मेमो, डेट 2 फ्रॉम रेफरेंस नंबर, सब्जेक्ट है अप्राइजिंग. अप्राइजिंग क्या होता है? इन्फॉर्मेशन देना, एक मैसेज कन्वे करना. तो अप्राइजिंग ऑफ कैशियर. डिसमिजल, डिसमिजल होता है कुछ उसे हमने डिसमिस कर दिया है, डिसमिस कर दिया है, सस्पेंड कर दिया है. तो एक वो रिमाइंडर दिया जा रहा है, सबको मेमोरेंडम है, सबको सूचना दी जा रही है कि ये हम लोगों ने कर दिया है. दिस इज टू इन्फॉर्म यू ऑल दैट मिस्टर XYZ, a cashier of Samriddhi Bank, Vilasnagar branch, has been suspended on charge of misappropriation of fund. Misappropriation एक स्कैंडल किया है, कुछ हेरा फेरी पैसों का लेन देन में. ऑल कंसर्न्ड आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू एब्सटेन फ्रॉम ट्रांजेक्शन विद हिम. ऑल कंसर्न्ड आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू एब्सटेन, परहेज कीजिए, मत कीजिए, दूर रहिए फ्रॉम ट्रांजेक्शन विद हिम. द बैंक अथॉरिटीज़ विल नॉट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मिसहैप. अगर आपके साथ कुछ मिसहैपनिंग होती है, कुछ गबन होता है, कुछ गलत होता है, तो डोंट थिंक दैट ही इज़ आवर एम्प्लॉय. तो बैंक अथॉरिटीज़ विल नॉट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मिसहैप. सो इट इज़ एम्प्लॉयज़ ऑफ ऑल ब्रांचेस. ठीक है, तो एक ब्रांच है, एक मेन ब्रांच है, जो भी ब्रांच है वो बाकी सभी ब्रांचेस को एक मेमो डाल रही है, एक इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल रही है, एक रिमाइंडर डाल रही है. इज इट ओके? सो वी डू वन मोर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दिस. इट इज़ अ डेमो एग्जाम्पल वी हैव. चलिए, वी कैन जस्ट राइट ओनली हियर. व्हाट इज दिस? ड्राफ्ट अ मेमो फॉर अ CA firm quoting the amount to be spent on stationery and office supplies for the first quarter of the financial year. I am repeating, draft a memo for a CA firm. ठीक है, so draft a memo for a CA firm. किसके लिए? CA firm के लिए. Quoting the amount to be spent on stationery and office supplies. Stationery item, office supplies for the first quarter of the financial year. Okay, so firstly what we have to write here, जो CA की फॉर्म है उसका हम नाम लिख सकते हैं, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो ABC है ना, कॉरपोरेशन, ABC कॉरपोरेशन, एम आई राइट? या CA फॉर्म लिमिटेड. ओके, is it what you have written? You yeah, okay. Chartered accountant, chartered accountants. Okay, ठीक है, Delhi डाल दीजिए, whatever is that. Okay, after that we have to mention date. Date is 5 October 2020. Okay, now what should I do? To ABC Corporation. ठीक है, two. Yes, Srishti. To purchase head, yes, good. To director, shabash. CA firm, to director, to purchase head, ठीक है, या कोई परचेज हेड हो सकता है यहाँ पर, है ना, कोई डायरेक्टर हो सकता है, इज इट, ठीक है. फ्रॉम, फ्रॉम, the head supervisor, okay. From, yes students, please give reply. From, from Mr. Ram Kapoor, purchase officer. ठीक है. हेड सुपरवाइजर, फ्रॉम जस्ट हु इज सेंडिंग, है ना. तो व्हाट वाज द ड्राफ्ट, अ मेमो फॉर अ CA फर्म. रेफरेंस नंबर, या वी कैन गिव एनी रेफरेंस नंबर. वेरी गुड. Yes, so we can write any name here, Mr. It can be purchase officer, it can be supervisor, and we can give any reference number. Subject, subject, quoting the amount to be spent in first quarter, ठीक है. और बताइए, सब्जेक्ट परचेज ऑफ स्टेशनरी एंड ऑफिस सप्लाइज, ठीक है, या बजट ऑफ स्टेशनरी एंड ऑफिस सप्लाइज. बजट वर्ड वी कैन यूज, quoting वर्ड वी कैन यूज. यस, सेंड मी अमाउंट टू बी स्पेंट ऑन स्टेशनरी. वेरी गुड. Yes, yes, budget for stationery in first quarter. Very good students, send me more. Budget for stationery in first quarter, we can write this also. Okay, anything we can write. Okay, so how we start? Just we have to talk about point to point. We are not to give any unnecessary. As desired, the order for the supply of stationery and office supply items for first quarter has been placed with stationery this Delhi. Okay. एक रिमाइंडर है तो हम उसे रिमाइंड करवा दें कि हमने क्या क्या चीज़ें मंगवाई थी और क्या था, है ना. तो आप रिमाइंड करवा सकते हैं. एज डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर फॉलोइंग, एज डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर मतलब पहले हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. एज डिजायर्ड मटेरियल वी कैन यूज़, एज डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर वी कैन यूज़. ओके, हाँ, एज डिजायर्ड द ऑर्डर फॉर द सप्लाई, ठीक है. द सेक्शन डिस्कस about the earlier discussed about the budget to be spent on stationery and office supplies first quarter. This spending shouldn't exceed 2 rupees, ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. And we can just give the items also. stationery में इतने हमें staplers चाहिए, okay, markers चाहिए, and pen, pencils, box. We can just give the, we just start and after that we can fix bullet and we can just mention this: pen, pencils, stationeries, stamps, ink, highlighters, whatever you want. Okay, paper. More than this, the purchase manager would be personally held liable. Acha. Please order for supplies from a regular vendor and don't exceed rupees 10,000. So this is अच्छा, अभी ये कौन भेज रहा है ना, तो हम लिख भी सकते हैं, और डेजिग्नेशन वी कैन जस्ट मेंशन और नॉट, दैट्स अप टू यू, है ना. It is not mandatory. You can just mention here your signature and who are you. You can mention here. So that's up to you, because we have mentioned here already. So that's up to you. Like we have includes signed by a name, the person with designation dated. So that's up to you. So this one we have done our circular as well as memos. So definitely question will come in this circular, memo and letters. Okay. So fifth one, what is that? Letters. Okay, imagine yourself as the manager, write a letter, proprietor of Manjeet Kitchen Equipment, ordering various, order वाला है. Fifth one is the order one. Sixth, as the office manager, electronic, this it's inquiry. Okay, चलिए ठीक है. I hope this topic is clear for you. More than this, the purchase, earlier we all said that it is written by purchase manager. So how he say that other manager will be held liable? Please check from, yeah. It is just a reminder. We can't give any responsibility to other person or any liability to other person. No, it's nobody will any personally, nobody will be liable for that. Yes, all these items ordered would cost rupees 1 lakh and all this will be delivered in 10 days. Chaliye, it's okay. Is it clear for you? So quoting the amount to be spent on stationery and office supplies for the first quarter. Yes, yes, good, good. Chaliye, very good. Now we are not to write any liability and all that. It is just a memorandum. इसमें कुछ ऐसा कोई strict actions वाला issue नहीं है. एक रिमाइंडर डाल रहे हैं आप सब कि ये आइटम्स हैं और ये आइटम्स मंगवानी है, इनके ऑर्डर दिए हुए हैं इतने दिनों में और इतना अमाउंट, जस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन. चलिए, लेट्स सम इडियम्स वी डू. द फर्स्ट वन, लास्ट टाइम व्हाट वी डिड. ओके, crocodile tears. Okay, crocodile tears. What do you mean by crocodile tears? What do you mean by crocodile tears? An false display of grief. A false display of grief. हाँ, false tears, झूठे आंसू, घड़ियाली आंसू. Don't believe on her, she is shedding crocodile tears. उस पर विश्वास मत करो, वो नकली आंसू बहा रही है, वो घड़ियाली आंसू बहा रही है. नेक्स्ट, cast pearls before swine. Yes, cast pearls before swine. A right thing in a wrong hand. A right thing in a wrong hand. सही चीज गलत हाथों में. सही चीज गलत हाथों में ना, बंदर के हाथ में नारियल या क्या बोलते हैं उसे, लंगूर को हीर मिली या कुछ भी ऐसा. दिस वॉज लाइक अ कास्ट पर्ल्स बिफोर स्वाइन. ओके, बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल. बर्न द midnight oil. Are you people burning midnight oil? Your exams are going to come near. So are you burning midnight oil? Yeah, laboring or studying till late night. Are you doing? Laboring or studying till late night. आधी आधी रात तक काम करना, आधी आधी रात तक जगना, आधी आधी रात तक पढ़ना. आधी आधी रात तक जगना का ये मतलब नहीं है कि यू आर जस्ट बिजी ऑन योर सोशल मीडिया और फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम. नो, दैट इज़ योर वर्क, यू आर डूइंग दैट. अगर आपका काम पढ़ना है तो आप पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ाना है तो पढ़ा रहे हैं. द पर्सन हु हैज़ द वर्क, दैट पर्सन इज डूइंग द सेम वर्क. सो clearing this exam, I'll have to burn midnight oil. Clearing this exam, I'll have to burn midnight oil. Next we have by hook or by crook. By hook or by crook. I'll get marry him with by hook or by crook. कुछ भी हो जाए, by any means, right or wrong. By any means, right or wrong. सही या गलत तरीके से, doesn't take matter. She will earn money by hook or by crook. गलत या सही ढंग से, but वो काम करना. By leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds, है ना, you just get blessing, है ना. I as a teacher, I'm giving you blessing. Get your life, get your success by leaps and bounds. Go in your life by leaps and bounds. दिन दुनी रात चौगनी उन्नति करो. By leaps and bounds at a rapid pace, है ना, at a rapid pace. What do you mean by rapid pace? Rapid बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ी से, पेस होता है चाल, तो बहुत जल्दी, बहुत ही तेज़ी से उन्नति करो. ओके, सो बर्न द कैंडल एट बोथ हैंड्स. बर्न द कैंडल एट बोथ ends. Burn the candle at both hands. Burn the candle at both hands. दोनों हाथों में कैंडल जल रहा है तो क्या वेस्ट ही हो रहा है ना. सो द मीनिंग इज ऑल्सो दैट टू वेस्ट मनी. टू वेस्ट मनी. Okay, it's a COVID-19 time going on. It's a lockdown going on. So why are you burning candle? From both hands. आप दोनों हाथों में कैंडल क्यों बर्न कर रहे हैं? दोनों हाथों से पैसा क्यों लुटा रहे हैं? क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हैं? ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव चिकन हार्टेड. चिकन हार्टेड. Chicken hearted. I think I told you earlier this chicken hearted. Yeah, cowardly. Cowardly, कायर, कमजोर दिल का इंसान. Okay, who is chicken hearted? Are you chicken hearted? You shouldn't be chicken hearted. So, crocodile tears, a false display of grief. घड़ियाली आंसू बहाना, नकली आंसू बहाना, दिखावा करना. Okay, so my friend always sheds crocodile tears. Cast pearls before swine, a right thing in a wrong hand. सही चीज गलत हाथों में. Okay, you have given all your property to your son. It is like cast pearls before swine. burn the midnight oil, laboring starting till late night. We used to burn midnight oil when we were student, when we were young, so we used to burn midnight oil. By hook or by crook, by any means, right or wrong, सही या गलत, किसी भी तरीके से, by all means, by hook or by crook. He wants to get money, he wants to earn money by hook or by crook. By leaps and bounds at a rapid race, बहुत ही तेजी से, दिन दुनी रात चौगनी उन्नति करना. धीरूभाई अंबानी got success by leaps and bounds. Burn the candle at both hands, to waste money, दोनों हाथों से पैसों को खर्च करना, वेस्ट करना. Okay, so she shouldn't burn the candle at both hands, chicken hearted, cowardly. Okay, please have some courage. Why are you becoming chicken hearted nowadays? So it was enough. I hope you understand. Thank you. Thanks for listening me so patiently. Have a nice day. Bye bye.